In this video, we are going to deal with classification of alcohols and ethers. Classification based on number of OH group present. We can classify alcohols into monohydric compounds, dihydric compounds and polyhydric compound based on the number of OH group present in the alcohol. Example, CH3, CH2OH. It is having only one OH group, so it is an example for monohydric compound. Phenol is also an example for monohydric compound because it is having only one OH group present. CH2OH, CH2OH. That compound contains two OH group. When we are adding one more OH group at ortho position of phenol, it is also a dihydric compound. Next one is polyhydric compound, means three or more OH group is present. We can call them generally as polyhydric compound. Example, CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. It consists of three OH group. Phenol, by adding ortho and para position OH group, we will get trihydric or polyhydric compound. Now, monohydric alcohol may be further classified based upon to which type of carbon atom OH group is attached. In some cases, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In some cases, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. First of all, we can see compounds with sp3 hybridized carbon and OH bond. In this case, OH group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom and it is of different type, maybe primary, secondary or tertiary. We can classify alcohols into primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol if OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. If it is primary, the OH group is attached to CH2 group. If it is secondary alcohol, OH group will be attached to CH group. If it is tertiary alcohol, OH group will be attached to C. That C is attached to an alkyl group. So that C is not having any hydrogen atom. If carbon is having two hydrogen atom, it is primary alcohol. If carbon is having only one hydrogen atom, it is secondary alcohol. If carbon is not having any hydrogen atom, it is tertiary alcohol. Now, another type of alcohols, if OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, it is allylic alcohol. That is, OH group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom which is very close to a carbon-carbon double bonded carbon atom, which is next to a carbon-carbon double bond. Example, CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. OH group is attached to a carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized and that carbon atom is bonded with a double bonded carbon atom. If OH group is attached to a carbon having two hydrogen atoms, CH2 group attached, it is primary. If that OH group is attached to a carbon having only one hydrogen atom, it is a secondary one. And if that OH group is attached to a carbon without any hydrogen atom, it is tertiary allylic alcohol. Now, benzylic alcohols. OH group is attached to an sp3 carbon atom next to a aromatic ring. CH2OH group is attached to benzene ring. It is primary benzylic alcohol. If OH group is attached to only CH and that CH is attached to a benzene, it is secondary benzylic alcohol. OH is attached to a carbon having no hydrogen atom and that carbon is attached to a benzene group. It is tertiary benzylic alcohol. Next type of alcohols in which OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Here alcohols in which OH group is bonded to a carbon-carbon double bond. Examples: vinylic alcohols, CH2 double bond CHOH. Here OH group is attached to a double bonded carbon atom. Phenols, OH group is attached to an aryl carbon atom. Thus, the general formula of ether is ROR dash. That is, the hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon is replaced by OR dash group. RH, one of the hydrogen atom of a hydrocarbon is replaced by OR dash group, and it is coming under ethers. Ethers are mainly two types: simple or symmetrical ether or mixed or unsymmetrical ether. First one, simple or symmetrical ether. If the alkyl or aryl groups attached to the oxygen atom are same, we know that one oxygen is there in between two R group. So if both R group is same, it is simple or symmetrical ether. Mixed or unsymmetrical ether means the R group present on both sides of O is different, mixed. Two different type of R group is attached. If the alkyl or aryl group attached to the oxygen atom are different, it is coming under mixed or unsymmetrical ether.